If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. And today we're going to be making a quick stir-fried recipe using baby corn and spinach. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make this stir-fried recipe are 150 grams of baby corn, roughly around 12 to 14, which are already boiled, then half of a capsicum, 1 onion, and 1 carrot cut into juliennes. Then around 200 grams, roughly 2 cups of spinach, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 to 3 dried red chillies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and some salt to taste. Now take a pan and add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Now first add the mustard seeds, followed by the cumin seeds and the dried red chilies. Now saute these for few seconds until you hear the popping of mustard and cumin seeds. Then add the ginger and garlic paste, saute for a minute to get rid of the raw flavor. Then add all the vegetables, the onion, capsicum and the carrot. Now saute this for a couple of minutes, and you can also add few more vegetables. Then add the spinach leaves, which are washed, then soaked in the water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So these contains lots of moisture. Now saute this for a couple of more minutes, and if you feel it's too dry, then you can add just quarter cup of water, but not more than that, and add water only if needed. Then before adding the baby corns, add all the spices, the red chili powder, the black pepper powder, the turmeric powder, and some salt to taste. Now while adding the salt, add that only to the vegetables because the baby corns are already boiled, and while boiling the baby corn, add some salt to the water so the baby corn will get the salt from the water while boiling. Then finally add all the baby corns. Mix it really well with the vegetables and allow it to cook for few more minutes, and the stir fry is done. And one more thing you can do is that you can add a pinch of garam masala on top of it. And that's it, a quick stir-fry recipe using baby corn and spinach. Do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. Remember, don't just eat to live, live to eat. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out.